when it comes to passive income, when it comes to side hustles, one of the best side hustles that most people do not know about is the pickup and delivery laundry service. I get paid to do laundry for hotels and spas. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how. Okay, it simply goes a little something like this. Hotels have so many guests that come and lay on their beds, lay on their sheets. Some people, get freaky. Some people just get messy. Whatever it takes, whatever it is. Sometimes when somebody comes and uses a room, they have to take that sheet, the linen, the pillowcases, everything, and they have to wash it. Because at the end of the day, if they don't, that's when people get sick. That's when people get, diseases or whatever it takes or whatever it is. But you can get paid to provide this laundry service for people because the hotels in their head, this is the way they see it. I can hire 5 employees to sit there and do laundry all day, paying $15 each an hour, and have to spend a couple of $100s a day. Or I can pay somebody like you, somebody like me, to do the laundry service for you. All you do is come and pick up the laundry from the hotel, you wash it, and before the end of the night, you come and drop it off. And then you have a bunch of ready to go, clean linens and extra pillowcases ready to go that the hotel can use in case the person runs out, in case you need to switch at the middle of the night, in case somebody asks for extra, whatever it takes. You have some that are ready to go clean, and while you're going and cleaning the other ones, there's some that are being used, and then once the used ones need to be cleaned, you bring back the other one, and it's just a cycle that keeps happening. You take the used ones and you replace it with the clean. And then whenever you take the clean ones and then you replace it with the good, the used. And at the end of the day, you pretty much can just make money doing laundry for the hotels. It's the same with the spas. The spas will pay you every day. They have all these hair that they do. They have all these people that come and use towels. And at the end of the day, they will pay you to come and pick up all those towels at the end of the day, wash it, dry, and fold it, and have it back by the morning. Why? Because, like I said, the person, after doing hair for 10 hours a day, 14 hours a day, the last thing they want is to sit there and do some more laundry. Some of those people have kids. The last thing they want is to do hair all day and then to go home and then have to do laundry. So it's one of those things where you get paid from hotels and spas to do their laundry. Like I said, as long as they have clothes, linens, beddings, pillowcases, whatever it is, something that has to be washed, dried, and folded, you can get paid to pick it up, wash it, dry it, and fold it, and bring it back to them, okay? And it's as simple as you can cold call all the hotels in your area and try to see if they need your service. Some of them might tell you they don't need to. Some of them are going to tell you, oh, we've been needing you for the last 10 years. Where have you been all my life? And it's one of those things where depending on how good you are when it comes to the sales, depending on how good it is when it comes to you looking presentable and having a company that, will actually go and do the work. Because if the hotels say tomorrow, hey, we need 100 pillowcases cleaned, and you can't do it, or you do a bad job, or it's dirty, or it's not folded, or whatever it is, then that's kind of on you. But the business model is there. The business model, it works. The business model is something that you can do. The business model is something that you can take advantage of. And as long as you're willing to do the laundry, and like I said, you can go and partner with laundromats that will do all the work for you. So if the laundromat charges, $1.50 per pound, all you have to do is go and charge them $2 per pound, and then you pretty much get paid to do all of the bags. And sometimes you can even charge per bag. So if you charge, $30 per bag, you go and you pick up however many bags it takes, and you go find a laundromat that will let you do the laundry per bag. And they might charge you $10 per bag, $20 per bag, and you make $10 per bag. So it's one of those things where you make money without even having to do the laundry yourself, because all you have to do is get in partnership with the laundromat that already does wash, dry, and fold, that already does this kind of valet service. And all you do is just bring it, drop it off to them. They wash it, dry, and fold it. You pick it up and you bring it back. And at the end of the day, like I said, they have insurance if something goes wrong. They pay for all of the equipment. They pay for all the maintenance. They pay for all the water, the utilities. That's all on them. All you do is get paid to do the laundry. All you do is get paid to transport it. All you do is get paid to coordinate it. All you do is get paid to be the middleman. So, like I said, you can get paid to do laundry for hotels, to do laundry for spas, and it's really not that hard.